Welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video we are going to talk about top 5 online jobs websites to earn money from home. So before starting this video, like this video, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for future updates. It is not always necessary to spend money in order to make money. There are websites that can assist you in starting a side gig to produce regular part-time income, or if you're searching for some quick extra cash. Each of the following websites offers unique advantages, and sometimes disadvantages, customized to different requirements and interests, depending on whether you're wanting to earn additional money quickly or develop a long-term income stream. Keep watching to learn more about each website. Number 5. Udemy. Udemy is a massive open online course, MOOC, provider focused towards working adults and students in the United States. Erin Barley, Gagan Biani, and Oktay Kalga formed it in May 2010. The platform includes over 40 million students, 155,000 courses, and 70,000 teachers delivering courses in over 65 languages as of April 2021. Over 480 million people have enrolled in courses. Students and professors hail from more than 180 nations, with 2/3 of the students residing outside of the United States. Students enroll in courses primarily to improve job-related skills. Some courses can be used to get technical certification credit. Udemy has made a concerted attempt to recruit corporate trainers, who want to offer courses for their company's employees. There are around 155,000 courses on the internet as of 2021. Udemy is headquartered in San Francisco, California, with operations in Denver, Ireland, Ankara, Turkey, Sao Paulo, Brazil, and Gurugram, India. While living in Turkey in 2007, Erin Barley and Oktay Kalga founded Udemy, a combination of U+ Academy, and developed software for a live virtual classroom. They saw promise in making the product available to everyone, and relocated to Silicon Valley 2 years later to start a firm. Barley, Oktay Kalga, and Gagan Biani founded the site in early 2010. According to Gagan Biani, the founders attempted to acquire venture capital funding in February 2010, but their plan failed to satisfy investors, and they were denied 30 times. As a result, they bootstrapped the product's development and launched Udemy, the Academy of U, in May 2010. Udemy had approximately 10,000 registered users, and 1,000 teachers had created roughly 2,000 courses in just a few months. They decided to try another round of financing based on the positive market reaction, and by August had raised $1 million in venture capital. In October 2011, Groupon investors Eric Lefkowski and Brad Keywell, as well as 500 startups and MHS Capital, led a $3 million Series A round of fundraising for the startup. Number 4. People Per Hour. This UK-based company only has remote job openings, which is ideal for those who wish to work from home. The functions of design and web development are highlighted in the listings. Video editing, online advertising, social networking, and copywriting are some of the other opportunities. The company, which was founded in 2007 by Zenios Thrasivulu and Simos Kitiris, has offices in London and Athens. Startups and small businesses who utilize the website are frequently wanting to grow more freely by employing freelancers to handle assignments rather than employing in-house or through agency. Jobs start at an hour, offers, and can be scaled up as needed to form entire teams online, implying that the model is scalable all the way up to large corporations. They work as part of the Talent Cloud, which includes thousands of freelancers who provide a variety of services on a flexible and efficient basis. People Per Hour, the UK's leading marketplace for freelance talent, has a deep understanding of the self-employed market, having created and collaborated on numerous research projects on SMEs, freelancing, and the gig economy, as well as providing resources for new and growing businesses and those interested in pursuing a freelance career. There is significant discussion over whether the advent of this form of freelance marketplace is part of a longer-term, structural shift in how corporations manage their human resources around the world. People Per Hour was designated one of Europe's 100 hottest startups of 2012 by Wired UK, a science and technology magazine, in August 2012. Its 50-person engineering department moved to Athens in 2012. Index Ventures, which provided the company £2 million ($3.2 million) in 2012, is one of the firm's primary investors. Mike Volpe has labeled People Per Hour one of the 3 most underestimated startups in the index portfolio. The company had previously raised around £425,000 in a seed round. Number 3. Freelancer. You can create a freelancer profile and start bidding on jobs listed by clients, similar to Upwork. As of 2021, Freelancer.com has over 50 million users. It's an excellent option for people who want to work from home and get their feet wet in the freelance world. Freelancer is an online marketplace where employers and employees can connect. Employers can post jobs on the site for site members to bid on in a competitive tender procedure. Members can also host and enter contests for which prize money is offered as a reward. As they offer, win, and complete work, and write and receive reviews of people they work with, freelancers and employers build profiles on the site. Members of the site are given a limited number of bids to use on the site, which are renewed on a regular basis. There are several account types available, ranging from free accounts to professional memberships. Freelancer charges a 10% cost, which can be decreased by paying a monthly membership fee, with a $5 minimum fee. The company just announced its new expansion into home and local services, allowing it to maintain its leadership position in its native market of Australia. Although the majority of Freelancer's users are from India, the United States, the Philippines, Pakistan, and the United Kingdom, the company's user network spans 247 nations, regions, and territories, and includes both emerging and developed markets. IT and software, 34%, design, media and architecture, 31%, and writing and content, 13%, are the top 3 career categories with the most job requests. Manila, Philippines, Sydney, Australia, Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada, Buenos Aires, Argentina, London, United Kingdom, and Jakarta, Indonesia are among the company's locations. GetAFreelancer.com and EUFreelance.com, founded by Magnus Tibble in 2004, Sweden, Lime Exchange, a former business of Lime Labs LLC, USA, Scriptlance.com, founded by René Trescases in 2001, Canada, Freelancer.de Booking Center, Germany, Freelancer.co.uk, United Kingdom, Webmaster-tar.com, United Kingdom, Webmaster-tar.com, United Kingdom, Web, founded by Ian Ippolito, USA. The company has 44 regional markets and operates in 34 languages, and 21 currencies as of March 29, 2016. India and Latin America are 2 of the world's most populous countries. Freelancer purchased Fantero, a digital content marketplace based in Ukraine, on April 2, 2014. Escrow.com, a supplier of internet escrow services based in the United States, was bought by Freelancer in April 2015. Number 2. Fiverr. This is another popular website that can be beneficial to freelancers. Do you have any experience with digital animation? You can earn some extra money by working for someone who lacks these talents. Even better, for quick pay, you might offer to gather web research for someone. Highlights: according to Dan Bocciccio, a web designer and digital strategist in Albany, New York, who operates Bocane Designs, you may make a lot of money from the site. He claims that Fiverr brings in $3,000 to $5,000 each month for his company. I make sure my Fiverr profile and gig descriptions are carefully written, and reflect the value of the services I'm giving to stay ahead of the competition. When someone contacts me, I make every effort to respond as fast as possible, and to follow up on their inquiry by asking thoughtful questions. A short, yet well-written response can greatly boost your chances of being hired, Bocciccio says. Cons: aside from Bocciccio's success, Fiverr gets its name from the fact that many people used to work for $5 each task. You can, and should, negotiate for more, but many of your potential clients are undoubtedly expecting you to labor for peanuts. Number 1. Upwork. Upwork is essentially a meeting site where corporations and freelancers from all around the world can connect and collaborate on specific tasks. Businesses engage freelancers for a range of tasks, including writing, web design, SEO campaign management, and pretty much any other task that can be completed on a computer. Highlights: Upwork charges a commission ranging from 5% to 20%, with the cost decreasing as you earn more money. Drawbacks: because Upwork is so popular, there is a lot of rivalry on the site, which may be a huge turn-off for those who are new to it, according to Sasha DeRosa, owner of The Shirtless Web Guy, a digital marketing agency in Toronto. Before I launched my web design business, I set up profiles on sites like Upwork. Because there is so much competition, it was difficult to get any attention from buyers on such sites at first. And because so much of the competition came from abroad, it was hard for me to compete on price. As a result, DeRosa dropped his charges, and for a time, he was working for pennies on the dollar. However, the positive feedback improved his profile, and DeRosa began charging more. Although sites like Upwork can help you create a portfolio and a client base, DeRosa says, "I'm thrilled to be off of them and on my own." What do you think about this video? Which of the following top 5 online job websites to earn money from home you find most interesting? Do let us know down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from us again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go.